Hello there everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Masuki Arts. Today we are going to be doing a quick little studio vlog, just talking about some of the art that I make within a week. Okay, so first thing I want to do tonight is work on my picture book. It's kind of been a while since I did anything with it, and as you can see, I was planning to do all the writing with these stamps. And don't get me wrong, these stamps that I have are absolutely phenomenal. They're so much fun to work with, but picture books really need to be easy to read for both parents and children's sakes. You know, like parents want to do voices and have fun, like having a good time with their kid, and obviously if they're tripping over words because things aren't the most legible, that causes a problem. And this picture book might be something that helps kids learn how to read, you know, and I don't want it to be a roadblock for the picture book to be legible, so I'm going to fix my mistake. And I don't know how I'm going to do this properly, but I'm going to cover this up with sticky notes to create like a bubble, you know. It kind of sucks because yeah, I'm covering all my hard work, but I hope it will be worth it in the end. I think I'm going to crumple these up to give it a little bit of texture. I really want this project to turn out good, so hopefully this stamps didn't ruin it. I mean, I've been having a lot of fun, but obviously I'm gonna have a harder time starting new picture books if this one doesn't get finished. So let's hope this works out, right? Honestly, it was super satisfying to like put all this together. Like just sitting here and crumpling sticky notes was super therapeutic. It's always the little seemingly useless yet critical tasks that I enjoy the most when it comes to doing like long-term projects, you know, because these are the steps that make it kind of come all together in a way. I mean, after this, like all there is to do is scan it and then add some text, you know. This is truly one of those projects that looks way different than I had imagined it looking, but I'm really excited about. And I still have to design the cover, unfortunately, but I'm pretty excited to do that too, just because I can see how far along I am and how much this project like deserves to be finished, even if it never gets published for real, which it probably won't. I think it's too short, but I think it'll be really fun just to see it finished. I want to put another sticky note here to kind of even out the text and create like a little bit of contrast, but I don't know how much text I'm supposed to put on this page because I'm stupid and I didn't thumbnail things out properly. So I'm going to use a little bit of washi tape on the back of this to try to create something like temporary, because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, never mind. I'm going to use this double-sided tape I got at the Dollar Tree instead. Hopefully it doesn't damage the page too much, but I'm not going to use it over the illustration. So, if it does happen to like tear a little bit up or something, I'll just edit it, and like fix it in Procreate or wherever I end up messing with this. Unlike so many parts of the art industry, children's book illustration is still really traditional, so I had fun going kind of crazy with it. Honestly, these turned out super cute. I can't wait to just plaster them all over the pages and like switch them around. This is going to be like my filler page. Like I don't want all the text to be on all the illustrations because I want to get experience working with different formats and stuff. So on the pages that are just text, I have these sticky notes, and these are all double-sided tape, so I can move these around from page to page. Like I can switch them around and I'll just use the same white paper background, and then I'll take these and I'll be moving them around for each individual scan, if that makes sense. Yeah, you'll see it all when it comes together or when I'm editing and stuff. As with all these things, there's always more on my Ko-fi page, like always. I'm constantly dissecting stuff and taking photographs to put up there. Okay, so it's the next day, and I have to do some work for a YouTube video, and you guys will find out more about it when it comes out. But that's what I'm going to be doing this afternoon, and we'll see how long I work on it tonight. I might also make time to work on my picture book. I'm trying to make a little bit of time for that this week amidst the work on the YouTube video, and also I have a shop update at the end of this week. So yeah, it's kind of busy, but I'm trying to make time for everything. Just because I want that balance and I want things to stay fun and not feel obligatory, you know? This might sound strange, but I actually felt super productive while I was filming this vlog. I don't know about what it is about like shoving a camera in my face that really makes me like go. But honestly, recording videos and stuff has really helped me like keep myself accountable. And here I am just taking a quick little doodle break, by the way, because as mentioned before, I want this all to still be fun even during my busy weeks. But anyways, yeah, I felt like I did a ton during this week just because I knew I was recording, and I was recording 2 videos at once, which I've never done before. I mean, that's just, I don't know. I thought I was getting ahead, and here I am. I fell behind again. I'm exactly on time. Okay, I just set up to film the painting process, and my brush fell. I was literally like ready to hit record and start painting, and it just rolled across the page right out of my hand. I mean, it kind of fits. It's not a cute piece, you know, like it's kind of dark, so I guess I'll let it go. Maybe I'll even add more. I don't know. I forgot to say anything about it, but this is the next day. I'm working on paintings for a fairy shop update. I'm hoping to have like charms and stickers and that kind of thing, but we'll see what happens, you know. But I'm very excited just to be painting fairies, but because obviously spring is exciting. Hello once again, folks. I think I'm going to end off today with a little order packing because I did a shop update last week, and I have an order that has to go out. I don't get a lot of orders on my Etsy shop, but when I do, they mean a lot to me. So I like to film the process of packing the orders just because it is really special to me. So let's get started on that. I think I'm going to show you what she ordered. So first up, she ordered my strawberry braids sticker. Very sparkly and very pretty. And next, she ordered my creepy cute dolly pin. This is the only pin I currently have listed in my shop, and honestly, I don't know that any of these have sold before. So I'm really happy that one is finally going home to someone. And then the next 2 items she ordered are from my shop update that I was talking about earlier. The first one being this over the moon print. She's very pretty. I really like how the scanned glitter looks. Like it looks good. I like this print a lot. Like it's 8 by 10 inches, it's nice and thick paper, and it's really vibrant and colorful, and it looks good. It looks good. And then the final item in her order is this Julieta print. If you guys have been watching my shorts or reels, you'll know this is a piece that I filmed a lot for because I really liked how she was turning out, and I think the final product is so pretty too. I really do love this piece, and I think the prints look great too. Like the glitter looks good, the lines are really nice, the colors are vibrant. I'm just very excited about my prints. They look good. So yeah, if you guys want to order prints too, there will be a link in the description box. So yeah, go check those out, and let's get to packing this order. Before I take off, I want to say a quick thank you to my Ko-fi supporters. So thank you so much to Ashley and Kia for supporting me on my Ko-fi page. Your support means the world to me, and if anyone else wants to support me, you can get all these fun rewards, and thank you so much. That's it for this video, folks. I hope it was fun for you guys to watch like a different format of video. Once again, I was trying to record something to get ahead of schedule, but I didn't get ahead. So just thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!